Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to share your presentation made in Canva with Google Slides. So here you can see I have this presentation made in Canva. I'm going to record another video on how to create a presentation in Canva. So you see, this is very customizable. Now, what if I want to share this with Canva, with my Google Slides account rather? This is made in Canva. The first thing you need to do is that you need to go to share and go to downloads and file type. Make sure you download this as a PPTX file. That's Microsoft PowerPoint document. Make sure to select that and make sure all pages are selected. All pages. Click on done and click on download. Now that the file is downloaded, you can see it here. It actually says Untitled Design, but I should have given it a name. I'm just going to come now to Google Slides. You can go to Google. Let's see, you can go to Google and just search for Google Slides. And it's going to prompt you here. It's going to bring you here. You need to sign in. Or you can just go to workspace.google.com/products/slides. I don't know if you need to do that and sign in. I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to come here. And now here you see, I can either click on this and start a blank presentation, but in my case, I want to share a presentation. So I'm going to click on this open file picker. I'll click on that. And now it brings this pop-up. You can see this is what I already have. I want to click on upload and I'm going to browse. And this is what I want to upload. I'm going to upload that. And now that is uploaded, you can see it here. So this is how it appeared. Now, on the surface, you see there are quite a number of things you could adjust, like these elements that are off the screen. You can just drag them and put them back so that they align. You can do some minor customizations here. And you can drag this one, drag these clips, put them back up here so that they align on the document. But I want to believe when you're presenting it, they are not going to be off. So that is how you share a Canva presentation with Google Slides. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you till the next video.